Rain, 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 go away. Guys, it's raining out. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. In my previous post, you would have seen me get the table ready to start making decorations for some cupcakes. So that's what I'm about to do. Let me just reintroduce myself. So my name is Jade. I am a cake decorator representing the Tri-Island Kids of Grenada, Carriacou, and PT Martinique. And every week I like sharing videos showcasing what I do and a typical day in the life being a cake decorator, in the hope that it benefits you, you're inspired in one way or another. Today I'll be making some Barcelona themed cupcake topper. It's raining outside. If you're accustomed working with fondant, you know it's not the best to make decorations when it's humid out, but this is the time we have to do it, so let's get cracking. Let's hope for the best. I'm definitely not going to be able to make the macarons today. I still have everything sitting here. With all the rain, I'm not going to be able to make it, but at least we advanced ingredients. Everything is weighed out. It's a dozen cupcakes, so I'm thinking 4 of these, 4 soccer balls, maybe 2 pairs of cleats, and the other 2, I could probably do t-shirts, soccer themed jerseys. I saw some images online for inspiration. I think I'll start off with doing the soccer balls. I'll do 4. Welcome back, Cake Vlog family, to another day in the life video. If it's your first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing. As I mentioned in the intro, I am a cake decorator located in the Caribbean. I operate a home-based business. I'm also a stay-at-home mom to my now 1-year-old son. This video was actually previously recorded back in 2020. I'm trying my best to get caught up with all of my editing. If you're not already subscribed, guys, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I know a lot of you look at the videos, you're not subscribed, so become a part of the Cake Vlog family. Lots in store. You can look forward to videos making fondant decorations, baking cakes, decorating them, delivery, setup, cleaning videos. If you enjoy the content that I share, show the channel some love. Hit the thumbs up. So for the decorations, I started by making soccer balls. Here you see me dividing some white fondant into 4 equal parts. I added Tylose powder so that it gets hard enough when the ball is formed. Have a look at the process, and if you have any questions, you would like to leave comments, go ahead and do so down below. I like rain, but not when I have to work. I prefer it when I have nothing to do and I can just relax. Don't we all? By the way, happy Mother's Day, guys. Those of you who are moms on here or you play the role of a mom, happy Mother's Day to you. You are loved, appreciated. Have an incredible day, guys. So because I wanted to be a bit more precise with the size of the balls, I took out my scale and portioned them out equally. Most of you should already know this, but in case we have any new viewers on here, we do sell the marshmallow fondant that you see me using in this video. Also buttercream frosting, which I'll be using in the next video when I prepare the cupcake. So stay tuned for that. Ensure you hit the notification bell so you'll be updated. And follow me on my Instagram page, guys. I post more frequently on there. I host different giveaways. Sometimes I go live. All of my contact details, it's in the description bar below. So now that my 4 balls are rounded, I am going to leave them to air dry and move on to making jerseys. Those of you who are familiar with the Barcelona team, I believe their jerseys are blue with red stripes or red with blue stripes, whichever way you prefer to say it. So that's what I'm doing. Comment below if you're fans of Barcelona team or what's your favorite soccer team. Let me know in the comment section. As I said in a previous video, I am not much of a sports fan. Honestly, the only way I come across some of the names is because of cake designs that I've done in the past. So you live and you learn. Here I'm just drafting a little template using the circle cutter as a guide because I don't want the jersey that I'm sketching to be bigger than the circle. That will be the size to fit on the cupcake. And then I'm just imprinting it onto the fondant and I'll go ahead and cut it out. Let me know which part of the world you guys are looking at this video from. I know some of you have told me you're watching from Trinidad, the United States. Comment your flag down below. It would also be interesting to know how you came across the channel. Are you a cake decorator as well, a baker? What's the name of your business? How long have you been operating? Always like interacting with you guys. We do offer online cake decorating classes. If you've always aspired to create your own cake and you need some guidance, you may already be decorating cakes of your own and you want to sharpen up your skills, then this is the class for you. It's done via Skype. You learn to measure your ingredients, bake your own cake, level and frost it, cover it in fondant, make fondant decorations, all in the comfort of your kitchen. Message me for more details. Don't miss out on this opportunity. If you know anyone who would be interested in participating in this class, give them my details. Again, it's online, so you can participate from anywhere in the world. Once I completed the jerseys, I moved on to the logos. And these are some edible prints that I got from a cake decorator local to me. We'll link her information down below, so if you're interested in getting edible prints, you can contact her. Peeled off the sheet at the back of the edible print, and with a small brush, I applied some water so that it sticks to the fondant. Okay, so we're almost done. We have our jerseys, we have the logos. To help with protecting them from the humidity, I placed them on the tray and covered it. Here I'm making the hexagonal patterns and adding any little details to make it as realistic as possible. By the way, feel free to reach out to me for your custom decorated cakes, cupcakes, we do French macarons, custom decorated cookies, and every Friday is Bread Friday. We do a multigrain bread. All of my information is in the description bar below. The final thing I had to do was make the soccer cleats. I don't have any footage of me making them though. Here is how everything looks so far. Comment below guys and let me know what you think. Any questions you have, feel free to ask. Because of the high humidity, the logo started getting sticky, so that's why I dusted the cornstarch on it. Guys, here is the aftermath of my work and my son's work. He's been going in on everything, making a mess, so let me go ahead and tackle this. If you would like to see a full cake room tour, I would link the video down below. I know I enjoy seeing other cake decorators' cake room tours, so hopefully you appreciate that. This is actually a bedroom that was converted into a workroom. So check the video out, it's linked down below for storage ideas, different tips. I also recorded an updated cake room tour, so you have to be subscribed, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when it's posted. Alright guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Stay tuned for an upcoming video to see how those cupcakes turned out. Consider subscribing. Those of you who are new, become a part of the Cake Vlog family. As always, I appreciate you. Remember, live your dreams and create the life that you want for yourself. Until next time, bye guys, and happy Mother's Day again to all you moms. Have a great day.